Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. My name's Ann, and I've been self-converting a 32-foot GMC Bluebird bus into a mobile tattoo and art studio in the front and a tiny home in the rear. In this week's video, we're going to do part one of installing the mini split air conditioning in the bus, and I am beyond excited about that. I think we have like a month left of hot weather, but still, to have it installed after it being, I think it's been like 2 or 3 years that I've had it. For some reason, if you've been following along, you know this already, but a lot of people didn't want to install the mini split, especially in a bus. They were pretty nervous about it. So I finally found a person who is willing to help me, and I am so excited. Here in a second, you're gonna meet the person that's helping me out with this, Prentiss. So without further ado, let's go ahead and get into the video and start installing this mini split.
Hey, I'm Prentiss. We're gonna hook up this mini split today, starting with the lines, communication wire. Let's get started. Same color on the same terminal. Same as the indoor and outdoor. Black for one. Red for two. White for three.
I'm sure that's perfect. I'm sure that's perfect.
Never fallen off a bus before.
Yeah, let's not have the first time today. I don't want to be responsible for that.
Now we're going to extend our line set here and put ourselves on a coupling.
I'm trying to turn the fan off so we can hear you. And not take photos. Okay, anyway, here, let me hold that.
fitting.
Hey, look at that. So, it's letting me record right now. I'm just letting you know. It keeps overheating up here in the front. So, luckily we have one more to put in the back, so you're getting some more footage of the installation of the mini split in the back here after my phone cools down.
Okay. So you take these off. It's got pressure on it. Should have pressure on it. That's to let you know that the system is still pressurized and doesn't have any leaks in it. If you don't have pressure, it's in the back. Not before the flare. Tight to the clip.
Oh, there it is. I was like, the anticipation. Ta-da! Le flare.
Always check the flare on your nut. Make sure to see it nice and good.
Oh, yeah. Looks good.
See the flare and start threading. So you can move the drain to either side.
Uh-huh.
I think we'll just keep that over here.
Okay.
And then just
Drill a hole through there. Yeah. Bam. And then we want to go up
Yep,
about an inch or two, probably. So probably about, well, this. Pretty much that, right? Right above that?
I'd go to where that screw is, maybe.
Yeah, so like right up in
Or like,
there.
yeah.
Sweet. Sounds good. Yeah. That should be good. Okay. Looks good.
Let's hope.
Huh?
Let's hope.
Alright. Well, it goes first a little bit. You're gonna come out. Well, you're gonna fall in. That's fine. Now we're in the phone. Dude, the drill came. The bit came out.
Well, how's the hole looking?
I'll let you know here in a second after I get to do that.
Oh shit. Oh.
But it doesn't have an Allen, a place for the Allen wrench to like tighten the bit up, so I don't know. But it just came out. It just slid out. See what I mean? I think we got it. I smell hot metal. Oh yeah. There's a hole there. Look at the darkness. Oh yeah. Are we up there?
Flash, I think.
Around the top. Okay. Did it already snap in? Oh no, there we go. Okay. Well, ta-da! Look at that. Well, don't look at it.
Score. Not before we flare.
What time is it? Oh, not before you flare.
Not before we flare.
Yes.
Good job.
Solid.
Well done.
Alright, so now that we got those hooked up, what's up next? What do we want to do?
So now, high voltage.
High voltage, yeah. Sweet. The next time we'll end up doing the pressurizing.
Do the communicating wire.
Mm-hmm.
And hopefully by then you have fuses and then we can do a start.
Yeah. So the fuses are supposed to be coming in within the next 2 or 3 days. So yeah, hopefully the fuses will be coming in. I can go ahead and get those installed, and then we can finish it up here pretty soon.
Crank it on, get some cool air.
Get some
going.
freaking air conditioning in here. Ah. None of the ceiling tiles are fastened along these edges here because I knew that there was going to be wire and stuff running through that, but the only ones that are the ones in the bathroom. So we are using a broom to get this wire behind the shower walls. Yeah, it's gonna work. It's gonna be fun. So it's too hot for me to use the flash, but basically we're going to be trying to attach, you can see the bristles of the broom right there. So Prentiss has the other end over here that he's trying to hopefully be able to attach the electrical wires to the handle.
Yeah.
Can we even see you? It's so dark in here. And then we're going to try to pull it through. Probably won't be able to record all of that, but just so you know what's up. Oh, by George, we have a wire at the end of this broom. All right, we got it through. Now, is that going to fit through? That's the question. So I just need to get up there. You want me to get up there and try to see if I can see the edge of it? Okay. We got it through. And now we just gotta attach it up top here. I'll try to get my flash. Alright, so that's going to be it for this week's video. Thanks so much for watching. Thanks to my Patreon members. I appreciate you guys so much. I couldn't do this without you guys. To anyone that subscribed, liked my videos, or followed me on any other social media, I do really appreciate you so much. So the communication wires and pressurizing are going to be the last two big things, but I am still waiting to hear back from Prentiss because he has another job and stuff, so we have to work around his schedule. But my fuse should be coming in shortly, so I may release a video on Wednesday as well, installing the fuse into my AC breaker box. So thanks so much for watching, and I'm going to see you guys soon. Please turn on your notifications so you catch my video. Love you. Bye-bye.